Hello all, welcome to Equestria Athletica's presentation of ab exercises. So ab exercises will help to strengthen your riding because we all use our core a lot when we ride. So our first exercise we have here for you today is the plank to pike exercise. And this exercise is something that you can work towards too. It's a little more difficult, but it'll give you something to achieve towards.
And this one is something that I can't do yet, but we're working on it. But Erica's really good with her balance right now. But an easier version that might work a few different muscles that you could do is the knees to chest plank. And this is not so bad, but it works some of the same core muscles, which will help you really know what you're doing while you're in the saddle as well.
So just these ab exercises, you'll really start to feel your abs more and you'll start to notice them when you're using them. So this next one, we're doing a side extension. So like a little side crunch with a side extension. And this will help to work your obliques more. So just targeting different areas of your abdominals.
Like Erica said earlier, it really helps to make you more aware of your ab muscles. I know after we did these for a few days, we could really feel it while we were riding during our lessons. So I think it's definitely helped us to become more aware of what our bodies are doing while we're riding, as well as to help us control those muscles and not just notice them while we're riding.
And then when you're doing these side flexion exercises, you want to make sure that you keep the amount of reps equal on both sides.
And you can do however many sets you would like. We're just showing you one set for this video. This next one we're doing is a decline push-up. And I had done this the day before, so I was struggling a little bit on it because my upper abs were really hurting, but it will really work your upper core for this one because you have to stabilize it to even do these.
This next exercise combines coordination while working your abs. It's a hand to feet ball pass. It can be a little bit of a struggle in the beginning to work out the coordination with that pass back and forth.
I know when I was doing these, it was kind of difficult at first, but you just have to practice to get the hang of it, and eventually it gets a little bit easier. And if you can't do this, you could just pass the balls, just touch your toes instead of passing it to your feet. And the next one we've got is the elbow to knee oblique crunch. It's a little bit similar to the last one, but we're involving some twisting motions as well to get our obliques in. And you really just want to focus on picking the ball up as far as you can toward your knee, and really going to the outside of the knee is what helps you get the most twisting and flexion motion for this.
So just make sure to do equal amounts on each side of your knee. So each leg you should go back and forth equal amounts of times. So our next one, it involves a little bit of extension of your back. So that's really going to stretch out your back. So you're kind of working your back as well as your abs in this one. So you're going to roll up with your abs and then extend out with your back. And make sure to stay balanced with this one so you don't lose your balance and fall off the ball. Just make sure to be careful of that. So this will also help to improve your balance as well, to help you balance in the saddle.
I think it's really important to get the full flexion of your ab muscles for this as well, so you're not just constricting them the whole time you're doing an ab exercise. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in our next video. Bye!